Farmers are observing the first anniversary of their protests against the farm laws. Now, it was this day last year, November 26, 2020, when thousands of farmers began camping on various Delhi borders, demanding the withdrawal of farm laws. To mark the first anniversary of the unprecedented protest, thousands of farmers are marching towards various borders of the national capital. Delhi police has in fact beefed up security on all Delhi borders. Last week, Prime Minister Modi, in his address on the occasion of Guru Purab, announced the revocation of the 3 controversial farm laws. Protesting farmers welcomed the move but decided not to return back to their homes until the laws are officially scrapped in Parliament, which is scheduled to convene for the winter session coming Monday. Farmers have also announced that as many as 500 protesting farmers will be sent in tractors towards Parliament every day till the winter session of Parliament is on.
आप जिस मुद्दे को लेकर चले थे, मुख्य मुद्दा है, उसको हमने मान लिया। अब उसके बाद भी आप घर वापसी अगर नहीं करते हैं तो आपके आंदोलन पर प्रश्न चिन्ह लगता है विश्वसनीयता का। मांगे हमेशा रहेंगी, कोई सारी मांगे कभी खत्म नहीं हो जाया करती और हमारी सरकार किसानों का हित सोचने वाली सरकार है। कभी भी बातचीत कर सकते हैं। पहले भी 11 दौर की बातचीत हुई है, उसमें आप ये मुद्दे उठाते ना, करते इन बातों को। उस वक्त आपने कहा कि पहले 3 बिल पास करो, तो 3 बिल पास कर दिए। अब कैबिनेट ने भी पास कर दिए। 29 तारीख को लोकसभा में भी वो पेश हो जाएगा। तो आपको कहीं तो विश्वास करना चाहिए।
विश्वास तो है, जो उन्होंने 3 काले कानून वापसी लेने की बात करी, हमें तो विश्वास है कि वो ले लेंगे। मैंने कब करा के वो नहीं ले लेंगे। जो कोरोना बीमारी आई, कोरोना के अस्पताल तो देश में थे नहीं।
ठीक है, अब ठीक।
बीमारी के हॉस्पिटल पहले थे, कोरोना एक बीमारी आई भयंकर, तो सब पूरा स्टाफ, सब सरकारें लगी कि पहले इसे पीट लो भाई, कोरोना आ गया। तो ये काले कानून आ गए, वे पहले सब चीज हट के सबने पहले इसको दाब्या, वह बीमारी खत्म होगी।
मैं टिकैत जिसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि उनकी इतनी बड़ी मांग 3 बिलों को वापस करने की पूरी हो गई, आपने कोई भंगड़ा नहीं पाया, आपने कोई ढोल नहीं बजवाया, आपने कोई जलेबियां नहीं बांटी। अगर आप करते तो लगते भी इतनी बड़ी बात मांगी गई, जो और बातें रह गई हैं वो भी सरकार के दरवाजे हमेशा खुले रहते हैं।
जिनके 750 लोग मर जाते हैं, वे भंगड़ा पाते हैं क्या? जिस दिन हमारे जवान वहाँ शहीद होते हैं तो सरकार भंगड़ा पाती है क्या? जो उन्होंने काम करा वो ठीक करा, लेकिन जो एक कमेटी पहले बनी हुई, उस कमेटी के चेयरमैन रहे, अध्यक्ष रहे, उसको भी पूरा कर दो, सारा इकट्ठा ही दे देंगे। धन्यवाद।
पंजाब के किसानों के लिए तो इट इज मोर देन 2/3, इट इज अबाउट 3/4, क्योंकि पंजाब के किसान मुख्य रूप में 3 कानून को रिपील करवाने के लिए आए थे। और बाकी जो मुद्दे पड़े हैं अभी MSP का या केसेस वापस लेने का, शहीदों को कंपेंसेशन, रिहेबिलिटेशन का, वो अभी पेंडिंग है।
मान लिया इन्होंने 3 काले कानून वापस ले लिए, हमारे 750 किसान शहीद हुए, हम उनके घर वालों को क्या मुंह दिखावेंगे जाकर? जो है MSP पे गारंटी, पूरे देश को फायदा है जिस चीज का, वह होनी चाह, ये तो पहले से ही मांग है।
मैडम, जिन्ना चिर साडे बाकी भी कानून ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ के लिखती रूप ਵਿੱਚ नहीं मिलती, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ही बैठे रहांगे। हाँ जी, सानू 24 तक भी बैठना पेगा, 26 तक भी बैठना पेगा, ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ बैठे रहांगे।
My colleagues Aishwarya Paliwal and Mohit Sharma are now joining me live on this. Aishwarya, I'll come across to you first. What are the farmers saying? It's been 1 year since they've been protesting. The government has taken back those 3 controversial laws, which was one of their main demands. So now, when the winter session of Parliament convenes, it will be officially scrapped. What more do they want?
Well, Pallavi, before I start speaking, just take a look around. The sloganeering is taking place. In fact, just a couple of minutes back, the national anthem was being played. Sloganeering taking place. All the farmers showing their solidarity. What's being said, Pallavi, is Kisan Mazdoor Ekta Zindabad, which basically means that the unity of the farmers is being saluted. And today, across the Delhi borders, be it Ghaziabad, where I'm standing, Tikri or Singhu, we are seeing the farmers celebrating 1 year of the protest. Farmers are telling us that they will continue with the protest till the time their demands are not met. In fact, Yogendra Raghav, just a couple of minutes ago, exclusively spoke with India Today, and he said that on 29th November, in limited numbers, farmers will definitely move to the parliament. There's a very crucial meeting, Pallavi, which will take place tomorrow. In that meeting, further course of action will be taken into place. They will decide the next course of action. But, you just look at the crowd, Pallavi. People are just thronging the venue. From what we understand, more farmers are on their way from Western Uttar Pradesh. So definitely, from what we understand, the protest is not going anywhere. Farmers are here to stay. They say the demand now is of MSP and they want the government to speak with them. Follow me.
Right. Mohit, I'll come across to you right now. The farmers, in fact, the Samyukt Kisan Morcha did write to the Prime Minister with a list of their demands, their pending demands. Where do they stand currently?
Well, Pallavi, with regards to the demands of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, they are very clear that first and foremost, the first demand that they had was the repealing of the laws. But, apart from that, they had 5 or 6 more demands, and those included the MSP assurances coming from the government in the form of a legislation as well. The taking back of the ordinances which would have escalated the price for electricity. The stubble burning penalty should have been also taken back. And now, there are a few more that have been added as well, including that first and foremost, the cases that have been registered in the states of Haryana and Punjab should also be rolled back. And finally, those who've died during the course of this entire protest should also be commemorated. They should also be compensated. Their families should also be compensated. We have some of them protesters here as well, and we'll speak to them as well. Sir, 1 साल पूरा हो गया. सरकार ने कहा है कि तीनों कानून जो है वो वापस ले रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी भी प्रोटेस्ट जारी है. सर, कब तक जारी रहेगा?
ये जो संयुक्त मोर्चे के हमारे जो लीडर हैं बत्ती, जो कहेंगे उसके एक लफ्ज पर हम पैरा देंगे.
जो वो कहेंगे वैसे ही आप लोग करेंगे. सर, आपसे मैं बात करना चाहूंगा. सर, एमएसपी की डिमांड कर रहे हैं. जब तक एमएसपी नहीं मिलेगा, क्या तब तक मोर्चा ये चलता रहेगा, तब तक प्रोटेस्ट चलता रहेगा?
जो संयुक्त मोर्चे के लीडर है साडे ना, वो गवर्नमेंट से बात करेंगे. क्या होता है आगे उसको मालूम होगा. हम तो उसके सपोर्टर हैं.
So, Pallavi, it's a clear-cut support of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha that is very clearly evident here as well. The people say that they are in support. They are standing united with the Samyukt Kisan Morcha. And more importantly, if you look at the meetings and the progress that the Samyukt Kisan Morcha has made, they've not just managed to add new organizations on a daily basis, but more importantly, they have ensured that a collective front is seen as a united front as well. We've been speaking to some of the leaders of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha as well, and they've told us that tomorrow as well there is going to be a crucial meeting to further come about the agenda that would be taken ahead in the coming days, including whether the 29th of November schedule, which says that the farmers would be going to Delhi in about 500 in numbers, would that be taken ahead as well, since one of the demands of the farmers has been met with. So all of that is going to be discussed tomorrow on 27th. But right now, just to give you a quick glimpse of what exactly is happening in and around, I'll ask my camera person Ashwini Helen to just pan out and show you the coming and the going of people. It seems it has become once again a porous border of sorts. People are coming in and going there in large numbers, especially giving an idea as to how many people are there. It's just the heads that are clearly visible, clearly indicative of how many people in large numbers have arrived here. Today was a special day. It completes the 1 year of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha, and hence there was a call given in which the Samyukt Kisan Morcha had asked everybody to come together to various borders of Delhi, to flock to various borders of Delhi and showcase to the government as to how the Samyukt Kisan Morcha and the farmers' protest still stands united. Back to you in the studio.
Right. So Mohit, they're showing us pictures. Mohit and Aishwarya showing us pictures of the farmers. They're coming in large numbers to the national capital's borders in order to, of course, put forth their demands, their pending demands before the government, especially because the winter session of Parliament is to convene on the 29th of November. Aishwarya and Mohit, thank you so much for joining us with those reports. My colleague Akshita Nandagopal, in fact, explains the 5 demands of the protesting farmers. Watch this.
Now, for the last 1 year, farmers have been protesting, saying that the farm laws must be repealed. The government has given in, but the farmers are saying they'll continue their protest till 5 of their demands are met. What are these demands? First, that there should be a bill that guarantees minimum support price. They say that they want it in writing. Second, they're saying that the Electricity Amendment Bill must be withdrawn. This is a condition and a demand they put forth earlier as well, but now they're saying it's a make or break demand. Now, another demand that they put forth to the government is that cases that were filed in the last 1 year against farmers, against protesters, must be withdrawn. Beyond that, they've also said that stubble burning should not be illegal. Very strict punishment was put in place to curb stubble burning. The farmers are saying get rid of all of that. Now, another demand, the fifth demand they put forth is an important one. They're saying that MOS home Ajay Mishra must be sacked for the involvement of his son in the Lakhimpur Kheri killings.